Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're stopping by for the first time, my name is Laifa. Today's video is going to be another client transformation video on this gorgeous lady Obehi featuring Ft.Klaiyi Hair. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, keep on watching. We're going to be starting off with the hair. I've used this hair in the previous video before. I'm going to insert a picture of the hair before, how it was before. It was really long, so I decided for this video to change it up. I decided to trim it. I did a lot of trimming, like you guys can see a difference in the length. I also went ahead and added a little bit of bangs in front. Do you guys see? Obe is such a drama queen. You guys, this girl is crazy. Like, she didn't want me to trim the hair because I actually gave it to her as a going away present, because Obe dumped me in Nigeria and went to America. So she wanted me to give it to her as a going away present, and she didn't want it short. She likes it long, but I really wanted to switch it up. So right now I'm just curling the hair with the hair curler. Obe is on YouTube now, guys, so I'm going to leave our YouTube channel name down below. So what I did is, when I finished curling it, I put pins in it, bobby pins. Moving on to the makeup, I'm starting off by priming her face with my usual primer for everyday makeup, Pond's face primer. For her foundation, I mixed these two foundations from IMAN. I mixed it with the MELANIE nails in rose gold. Everything I used is going to be in my description box down below. To highlight Obe's face, I went ahead to use the LA concealers in the shade Pure Beige and Toffee. I just mixed them up together and used it to highlight her face. Right now, I'm just setting her face with the Beauty by AD setting powder. Set the rest of her face. I went in with the Milani powder. I mixed the shade medium and warm. Brows, I used the H&E, that's Hagan Esther brow pomade in the shade Nubia. Right now, I went ahead to fill it in using the YANGABEAUTY BROWLUTION pencil. I like this pencil because it's really light, so when you want to achieve really natural brows, this is the pencil to use. And to highlight the brows, I went ahead with the black opal concealer. I mixed rich caramel and hazelnut. Right now, I'm applying the LA concealer in the shade Fawn all over her eyelids. Then I went ahead to set it with the same setting powder I used earlier. To set her brows, I used my favorite, the MAC Girl Boy brow sets. For eyeshadow, I'm using the what's it called, the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk eyeshadow palette. The eyeshadow palette I'm using, sorry, the eyeshadow primer I'm using right now is the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. So I just applied this using a brush. Then for her main eyeshadow color, I first went into this same Desert Dusk eyeshadow palette. I used that shade, but I wasn't really feeling it. Then I went into the JUVIA'S NUBAN one. Yes, I believe. Then I used that color right there. It's like a rose gold shade. I used this as my main color. Then I went ahead to use these two glitters from EYESHADOW. You can see one is the normal glitter and the other one is chunky. So I used the normal glitter. It's a peachy orange shade. I applied this all over her eyelids. Then I went into the other glitter, the one that has the chunky one. And as you can see right now, I'm applying this just in the center of her eyelids. Right now I'm done with eyeshadow, so I'm just dusting off the excess. That's the fallout from the eyeshadow. I'm dusting it off and dusting off the excess setting powder on her face. The lashes I used on Obey are from Beautiful You. It's their lashes in the style Sonia. And I used the Huda Beauty lash glue to apply this onto her eyes. Then for the gel liner I used the Inkblot number 77 gel liner. I used this to line her bottom and lower lash line. At this point, Obey was getting teary-eyed, so she decided to apply a mascara by herself. For blush, I'm using the classic blush palette. Then to set her face, I used the MAC Fix Plus setting spray. Going into her lips, I'm using this Bobbi Brown lip liner. It's their mahogany lip liner. And on top of that, I mixed the Huda Beauty lippy in the shade Trendsetter and this Gianni lippy. Highlighter I used is my favorite. You guys already know this, my Candid Glow YANGABEAUTY highlighter in the shade Buckish. And that's it, guys. That's pretty much it for the makeup bit. To finish up with the hair, I'm just taking out the bobby pins and using a brush to brush through the hair. This hair looks really good considering the fact that a lot has been done to it and it's been a couple of months. The hair still looks really good. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'm going to leave every detail that you want to know about this video in my description box down below. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, drop a comment. I love you guys so much and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.